everyone. So today we'll be talking about CheckoutWC, which is a conversion optimized Shopify style checkout for Woocommerce, which reduces cart abandonment and increases revenue. So in this video, I'll show you how to install the plugin itself, and we'll go over some of its feature, and you will see why people like to use CheckoutWC. So first of all, it's conversion lift. So merchants want more completely checkouts, fewer abandons, and higher AOV. CheckoutWC offers a modern Shopify style design, which I already mentioned. So their customers expect a sleek, mobile-friendly, and trustworthy checkout. And the third reason why people use CheckoutWC is that it offers an all-in-one solution. So instead of hacking together multiple plugins for trust badges, it addresses autocomplete, order bumps, and so on and so forth. So CheckoutWC, it gives them one reliable package for all of these important aspects. So now let's install the plugin itself. In order to install the plugin, all you need to do is get on your WordPress site, then go into the plugins menu. Then all you need to do is click the add plugin button, and also search for the plugin itself. So you need to write CheckoutWC and wait for the plugin to appear, and after it appears, we can install the plugin. So we can install it now, and after it installs, we'll need to activate it. So now we can go into our plugins menu, because we already installed it. We can search our plugin here, check out, and the WordPress site will show our plugin. So here we click activate. So after you activate the CheckoutWC plugin, here what the window shows. So you can read the documentation and then go on to do all the steps required for using the template. So I would also like to talk about some of the features of CheckoutWC, and I'll also go over some of them so you'll see how you can use it easily. So first of all, I would like to mention that CheckoutWC has customizable checkout templates. There are 5 templates from where you can choose and customize your logos, fonts, and colors. So if you want to choose your templates, all you need to do is to go into your WordPress website, to the CheckoutWC plugin, and from there you can click the appearance button, and when it opens you'll see options from where you can choose. There are the 5 templates. You can activate them and you can also use them. So for example, we want to use this, we click here activate, and then we can also see the preview and how our page will basically look like. Or you can manually change some of the things back in the appearance menu when you go to the design button. You can choose a couple of things here. You can upload your logo, or can upload images. You can also write your footer text. You can choose the colors. You can choose the background color for your header, and many other things which you can do manually. Besides this feature, the CheckoutWC also offers built-in sidecar, which basically makes it quick and effective for your customers to buy some things from your shop. Another important feature that CheckoutWC includes is express checkout buttons. So in order to make it faster for your customers, CheckoutWC offers a couple of ways through which your customers can pay directly without any difficulties. The next feature that I would like to talk about is order bumps. So with this, you can boost your average order value by as much as 12%. So let's go to our WordPress website and see how it works. All we need to do again is just click to the order bumps button, and here we can manually decide what we want to do. So here is the maximum number of order bumps. We can change it. We can decrease or increase it. For example, let's pick a 7 maximum after checkout submit modal bumps. Here you can also change the number. After you do this, click save changes, and you can also manage your bumps. Basically click here. I've created just a draft to experiment with. All you need to do is to click here at order bump, and a page like this will open. You'll need to write a title for your order bump. Let it be order bump, and then you will need to choose from your products whichever product it will be on. You can also choose the discount type and how much discount you want to give. For example, amount off, I'll write 20, and you'll just click continue. You will need to add the product here, and basically this is how it's gonna look. This name will not show for your customer, and then all you need to do is just click publish. Moving on, another important feature that CheckoutWC includes are the trust badges. You can click to the trust badges menu, and from here you can manually choose what type of badges to include. You can include the location here. It has 3 options: below the checkout cart summary, after the checkout form, or top of the footer. Let's keep it here. And you will also have your heading. So here you can also see an example of what you can give your heading. And here I just again created an example of a trust badge which you can experiment with again. All you need to do is click to the add trust badge button. Here you will write the title of it. Then you will also choose a guarantee or a review, whichever one works best for you. Here is an example. You can also upload an image, and here you can write your description, and just click save changes after whatever you do, and you will have your trust badges shown in your customers page. So this is about the features. Now let's move on to discussing other important factors about CheckoutWC. Let's also go over the demo version for CheckoutWC. So we'll just go with the first one. Here you can see the theme, which is called the Midas theme. It's what it looks like right here. So there is also the shipping part of it. You can look at it. What it includes, for example, contact information, where to ship, the shipping method, the products, promo code place, and the total amount of money that you need to pay. Here's how the payment looks. Basically, you can choose from what of these options you want to pay with. You will also need to write all your contact information, card information, and then complete your order. And here is also how the thank you message will be for the customers. And yeah, that's it. There's also a live demo if you want. We can also go over it. You can see the information part here. We can also write our email here. For example, we can choose which way to do the delivery method. The pickup locations can also be changed, or we can add the products stuff and then continue to the payment. So when you continue to the payment, okay, we need to write our email accordingly. This is the payment method, and all you need to do is decide which way you want to pay with. For example, cash on delivery. Here we would write our address and stuff. So basically whatever I showed you before the live demo. So another thing that I would like to talk about is the pricing plans. Here you can see four pricing plans, and you need to choose yearly or monthly. I'll discuss with the monthly one. So there is the basic pricing plan, which is $15 a month. You can have 5 modern templates, conversion optimized checkout page, customer payment page, and many other more features. The next one is the plus pricing plan, which is $25 a month. You get everything in the basic plan, and also up to 2 order BAMs, thank you page, side card, and many other features. The third pricing plan is the Pro plan, which is $35 a month. You get everything in the Plus plan, and also unlimited order BAMs, free activations for translated multi-sites, up to 10 sites, many other interesting features as well. And the other plan is agency plan, which is $149 a month. You get everything in the Pro plan, and up to 50 sites, priority support, and many other interesting features. So this is basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.